I can read your movements. Gold chain 92. Hey. Gold chains, Dickie suits 92. T-top coupe, riding around with no roof. Feeling like I'm Bishop, little nigga, I got the juice. Hey. Gold chain, Dickie suits, 92 T-top coupe, riding around with no roof. Feeling like I'm Bishop, little nigga, I got the juice. Let a nigga try me on the hood, I get him through. He a mini man, talking like he 50 on the gram. These niggas ain't hustlers, all they do is scam. I ain't gonna lie, cause they know who I am. I don't know where I'm going, but I swear I got a plan. Mama worried about her baby boy, I promise I'm a man. They said this word was too difficult to understand. Now look at me now, I got this fucker in my hands. Try to tell these niggas won't nothing, never stop my plans. Fucking mad genius, feeling like I'm Dexter. Eating all these rappers, nickname me Lecter. Took them straight to school, you can call me the professor. Break your fucking ankles if you thought about stepping. Hey, eyes glowing red, feeling like I'm Megatron. Break it down, herbs, same colors, Decepticons. Rolling out, nigga, just like the Autobot. I'm looking bummy, but my pockets on juggernaut. Got the block flooded, looking like a sauna. Nigga got the coochie flooded, dressing like it's Kwanzaa. Nigga mad, me and my girl took his baby mama to the Bahamas. Now his ass on the gram begging about the drama. I'm just trying to have a good time, Will Smith. Fresh Prince and I'm chillin' in some nice kicks. Nice whip with a nice bitch. Nice ass on a whip with some nice tits. This off the dribble, off the top, I ain't write this. Flow too sick, yeah, it's hard to digest. Not worried about nothing, cause I live my life righteous. Don't try to judge me when we got our own vices. Hey, we should heal each other, end all the cycles. Niggas feeling for the kill like Michael. Concrete jungle, niggas living for survival. Dope boys, the street prophets are only idols. Hood stories that we was taught, that is the Bible. I try to tell you that this shit for life though. Hood stories that we was taught, that shit's the Bible. I try to tell you that this shit for life though. Never end the cycle. Never. Lot of lost souls. Lot of broken hearts.